Welcome to Best Useful Tips. Recently launched Android Q Beta 4. Add a new gesture for a back from Play Store or YouTube in your device. By default, deactivate this setting. Let's see steps to use Android Q Beta 4 back gesture app. Go to Settings. Scroll down up to System. Tap Gestures. Tap System Navigation. Make sure set fully gesture navigation to use this back gesture app in your device. Now open Play Store. Now swipe left side, you can see back arrow in your device. Open YouTube, swipe back, you can see back to the next in your device. It's quite helpful. This feature is helpful in your device. Just swipe. Now go to again settings. Go to gestures, system, under gestures. Now set 2 button navigation or 3 button. Now open Play Store. Now swipe left side. Now you can't go back to the next. So if you want to use Android Q Beta for gesture app, set navigation gesture as a fully gesture navigation in your Google Pixel, Pixel XL, Pixel 2, Pixel 3 and any other device. It's quite easy to use and helpful to go back main settings using these gesture apps. And that's it. Please like it, share it and don't forget to subscribe to get more tips.